Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm at Kuba Mosque. This is first mosque in the history of Islam. Láàrin ẹbí ní ìdílé ìyá àti bàbá láàrin ọ̀rẹ́. Mo gbàládùra wípé àwa la máa jẹ́ ní àkọ́kọ́. Mo ní níbi iṣẹ́, we will be the first. Níbi okòwò, we will be the first. Láàrin ẹbí, I will be the first. Láàrin ará, I will be the first. Láàrin ojúlùmọ̀, I will be the first. In the whole world, I will be the first. What about you?
I will be the first.
I will be the first.
I will be the first.
This is Yamed. I will be the first.
Okay, one total.
Okay,
I will be the first.
I will be the first.
Yes.
I will be the first. We shall be the first. We shall be the first. Masalam. Thank you so much. We're heading to another place. Oh, wow. Islam is beautiful. Islam is beautiful.